Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this matte bold smoky eye using only 3 shades from our Morphe 24G Grand Glam palette. I actually don't really like this palette because there are hot pinks and like shimmering hot pinks and reds in it, and I feel like I have a hard time like complementing my skin with this palette. But if you have like bright blue eyes and paler skin, this palette is probably really good for you. But I just like all the mattes and like the more warmer browns that are in there. So I am going to show you this eye that I have now. Keep watching and we will get right into the tutorial. So I already have this one eye complete. The only thing that I'm missing is the like under eye eyeliner, just because I'll wait until like all my face makeup is done to finally put that on. But on this eye, I already have my eyebrow done and my primer is already on. I'm using Urban Decay's primer potion in the shade Eden, so that is done. I always feel like this is like my go-to eye when I'm like going out at night because it's matte, so it like stands out, and when you take pictures you don't have any reflection from any shimmer in it. So this is always like my absolute favorite eye to do, but this is easy. So like I said, I am using the Morphe 24G palette. I have not done a tutorial on this palette yet. I feel like it's not really like my absolute favorite, but I do like all the warmer brown shades and the gold and light shimmers. So alright, we're going to use this palette and we're going to get right into it. So for my transition color, I'm going in with my MAC 217 blending brush. It is a fluffier, coarser brush, and I'm going in with the shade Mojo. It's this, where is it? It's this warm brown shade right here. And I'm going to put the shade right in the crease and eventually like buff that up and out. So these shades are super, super blendable and buildable and workable. So a little bit goes a long way. The deeper that you want the color, my dogs will not stop barking. So I'm just buffing this for my crease, kind of up into my concealer a little bit, but not too much because we do want under our eyebrow to pop a little bit. And then I'm working this out. Next, I'm taking the shade Mooch, which is right here. And I'm also working this deep into the crease. And this is super buildable, so I'm just kind of swinging my brush back and forth with this shade. And then I'm lightly going in circular motions up into that transition color. Next, I'm taking this deep shade right in here. This is called Brew. Now this color I'm going in with a skinnier blending brush because I don't want to get it on all those other colors that I already have. So I'm going right in the crease, but I'm keeping this more on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm only bringing it in towards the middle of my eyelid. That way it keeps my eye looking larger and not too closed. And then same thing with this. With circular motions, I'm going to just kind of buff that into the previous shade. Now I'm taking a Q-tip with a little bit of moisturizer, and I am going to clean up what I have here and give that a sharper look. Now even though my primer that I have on looks similar to my my lid shade on my eye here, I am just going to go back over it with the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. And I'm going in with my little tiny concealer brush, and I'm just going to make that lid look more solid. So I'm just going to go over any fallen eyeshadow that fell right onto my lid. So like I wouldn't say that this is a cut crease, but I mean it kind of resembles one a little bit. Alright, now I'm just going to take the dark Brew shade and I'm just going to buff over that outer lid color, just to give it like a softer appearance so it's not too harsh. Now I don't want too large of an eyeliner line because I don't want it to close off my eye too much. I feel like my eyelid isn't too big and it's not like too much of like a cut crease right now. So I'm just going to make a super thin line with my felt tip liner. This is really only giving my eyelid a space to put my lashes on. Real quick, we're gonna pop this lash right on that line. And then I'm just going to throw some mascara right on top of those lashes just to give that more of a fuller, solid look. If you plan on reusing your lashes, you don't have to put mascara on. But I've already used these, so it's fine. Alright, so we will get into the face makeup, and then when I'm finished my face makeup, I'll go back in and I'll finish the eyeliner under my eyes. So now that my face is completely finished, I am going to go back in under my eye and I'll do my eyeliner. I'm actually using the Morphe 24G palette as eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my little eyeliner brush with my MAC Fix Plus. This is going to give the powder that I'm using more of like a liquid effect. So we're going to go in with the Mooch shade one more time, and I'm just gonna drag this under my eye, and that's gonna give it more of an open effect. And then I'm just gonna go in with mascara and just finish those lashes off. I am going to go back in with the MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to spray my whole face. That way it gives it a nice moisturized, dewy look. Alright guys, so there you have it. This was my Morphe 24G Grand Glam tutorial using only 3 shades for this bold matte smoky eye. I feel like this tutorial was pretty easy because, like I said, it is only 3 shades that you're using and nothing has to be like super specific. It's just very like kind of getting the colors on there and just giving yourself a bold smoky eye. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.